The Flexi Funnel from Ryco Service Tools. The RST 300 is a great addition to every DIY handyperson. Flexi Funnel is versatile for many applications and suitable for most automotive fluids. Made with aluminium core, it can be shaped to whatever channel you need. The Flexi Funnel also makes removing oil filters even easier, especially those in hard to reach locations. With its small and compact design, the Flexi Funnel is portable and easy to clean and can be stored almost anywhere. So whether it's working on the car, around the house or out in the water this summer, Flexi Funnel from Ryco has you covered. Want genuine innovative performance? Think Ryco.